So I've been using Nextdoor app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the Nextdoor app. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Nextdoor app. Nextdoor is essentially a neighborhood-focused social platform that connects people within the same area. It's great for staying in the loop on local news, events, and safety updates. One of the strongest features is its ability to bring neighbors together. Whether you're looking for someone to recommend a plumber or trying to sell an old bike, Nextdoor makes it easy to interact with those living nearby. It can also serve as a helpful tool for raising safety concerns like suspicious activity or car break-ins. Many newcomers to a neighborhood find it particularly useful as it provides quick access to local advice and services. But let's be real, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are some cons to consider. One major issue is the inconsistent moderation. Users have reported instances where the moderation feels overdone, with even harmless comments being flagged or removed due to strict content policies. Additionally, the app tends to draw in some heated discussions, especially around controversial topics. In certain cases, rather than bringing neighbors closer, it can escalate tensions, turning neighborhood disputes into public arguments. Another common complaint is the overwhelming number of ads, which can sometimes take away from the overall user experience. Overall, Nextdoor is definitely legit and serves as a valuable tool for community interaction, especially if you're new to an area or want to stay updated on local happenings. However, its heavy-handed moderation and occasional tech issues can be off-putting. But as always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.